Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and looking for ways to make extra money? Imagine multiplying your income by starting a side hustle and using smart money tactics. In this video, I'll show you how to get started, manage your side hustle, and maximize your earnings a smart way. A side hustle can be life changing. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or just have more freedom, a side hustle can help you multiply your income. And with the right tactics, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. There are countless ways to start a side hustle, and I'll share some of the best tips to make sure you're using your time and money wisely. First, you need to find a side hustle that matches your skills, passion, and something people are willing to pay for. Think about what you are good at or what you enjoy. It could be anything from graphic design, content creation, or even pet sitting. Look at what people are willing to pay for and how much time you're willing to invest. This is key to growing your side hustle without burning out. Now let's get into the money tactics that will help you multiply your income. Here are 3 smart tips to make your side hustle more profitable. Don't rely on just one source of income. For example, if you're a freelance writer or offer other services like editing or coaching. If you're selling products online, explore new platforms to reach more customers. Time is money. Use tools that help you automate repetitive tasks like scheduling social media posts or sending invoices. You can also outsource some work like hiring a virtual assistant for simple tasks. This gives you more time to focus on growing your business. The more skills you have, the more you can charge for your services. Take online courses, attend workshops, and keep improving. Think of this as an investment that pays off in the long run. Smart money tactics aren't just about earning more, they're also about managing what you earn. Create a simple budget to track your side hustle income. Divide your earnings into categories like savings, business reinvestment, and personal spending. Reinvesting part of your income into better equipment, marketing, or education can help your side hustle grow even faster. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals and create a schedule that works for you. Even if you only work on your side hustle for a few hours a week, sticking to a routine helps you stay focused. Celebrate small wins along the way. Every step forward brings you closer to your income goals. Remember, side hustles aren't about a one night success but smart, steady growth. Keep learning, stay focused, and use these money tactics to multiply your income. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money making tips, and share with friends who are ready to start their own side hustle. Let's make smarter moves and multiply our income together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.